Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share what can easily cause that code, and in some cases it's not a bad sensor. Also, we'll talk how you can test it as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you have check engine light on and code P0340, stay with us. We'll explain what causes that, how to fix it, and how to test the sensor guys. In some cases it may be a really simple fix, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So right here guys, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have a different year it will work as well, since practically that engine has been used all the way from 2012 until currently 2022, and probably they will keep using it even in the future guys. So now, many of you have asked us to recommend a good diagnostic tool. That's why we want to include that part in the video. That's the tool that we use, the MK808 tool. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a really good price and quick shipping. It works on Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and almost any car you can think of guys. We used it on Porsches. It works even on Ferraris and Lamborghinis. Amazing tool that can pay itself off in just one-time use. So check it out. You can check the price and features in the link below. Now, if you have code P0340, let's talk about that. You have that V6 engine, 2 cylinder heads, one on the left side, one on the right side. The left cylinder head is known as cylinder head number 1 or bank 1. This is cylinder head number 2 or bank 2. And if you look right here, both of the cylinder heads have each cylinder head has 2 camshaft guides, intake, exhaust and intake, and they have variable timing. It can retard or advance the timing, and it needs a special sensor that detects the position of the camshafts. This is known as a camshaft position sensor. Now, if you pay attention, that camshaft position sensor will be located right here. We have a special video that explains how to remove it in case you need to replace it. But now check it out, you have only one camshaft position sensor and you have 2 camshafts. So what happens there? How it reads the position. If you pay attention when you remove that camshaft position sensor guys, it actually has 2 components. That's 2 camshaft position sensors in one. This is for the exhaust camshaft, this is for the intake camshaft. If you guys have code P0340, that sensor failed, but only half of it failed. Only this position right here, that's on the inside right there, because that's for the intake camshaft position reader right there. The intake camshaft is always sensor 1 and the exhaust is sensor 2, because that's the order of things that happen in the engine. It first gets air and fuel through the intake and then it goes through the exhaust. So if you have that code, it's very likely you have a burned camshaft position sensor. We'll have a video how to test camshaft position sensor on Dodge Challenger, so check it out. It's coming on the channel. Number 2, inspect that you don't have oil leaks here from the gasket. Inspect the connector, make sure the wires are not corroded, they're all the way pushed into the connector, because sometimes people will try to disconnect it and yank the wires out of the connector. They will not be communicating correctly, and that can easily cause that code P0340 as well. And always make sure the connector is pushed all the way in, and when you push it in, lock that red piece in place so it cannot disconnect itself. Those are the most common reasons for camshaft position sensor code P0340. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.